so shiny and red. He bounces on pillows and jumps on the bed. B is for banana, who slipped on the floor, then giggled and twirled and danced out the door. C is for cherry, who rides on a swing, wearing 2 hats and a diamond nose ring. G is for date, who plays with the moon. She hums to her cactus a sleepy time tune. E is for elderberry, tiny and blue. He paints little stars on his left tennis shoe. F is for fig, with a crown made of cheese. She skates on a rainbow with jelly bean knees. G is for grape, with his bouncing big ball. He juggles 3 lemons and shouts, "Catch them all!" H is for honeydew, common so round. He naps on a leaf with his head off the ground. I is for Indian fig in a canoe, sailing through syrup and raspberry goo. J is for jackfruit, so jolly and tall. He builds fruity towers that never will fall. K is for kiwi, fuzzy and green. She wears streepy socks and jumps on a trampoline. L is for lemon, so zippy and bright. He zips through the garden like a yellow flashlight. M is for mango, with maracas in hand. She leads all the berries in a salsa band. N is for nectarine, smooth like a stone. She sings to her shadow in a fruity tone. O is for orange, who's bouncy and bold. He tells funny jokes that never get old. P is for papaya, who plays hide and seek behind the tall pineapples peekaboo squeak. Q is for quince, with the curious stare. He floats on a cloud in his lavender chair. R is for raspberry, sweet on a spoon. She twirls through the air like a red balloon. S is for strawberry, sipping her tea. She wears a pink dress and climbs up a tree. T is for tangerine, tiny and quick. He zooms on a scooter with a peppermint stick. U is for Ugly, from far chilly land. He juggles 5 figs with 1 single hand. V is for Vanilla Bean, long and so lean. She slides down a vine with a shiny green sheen. W is for Watermelon, striped like a ball. He giggles and rolls down the big garden wall. X is for Exiguar, a fruit from afar. She dances on starlight and plays a guitar.